Hello students, in class 9, chapter number 6, lines and angles. So one portion is very important, two theorems related to triangle. First is you already applied this rule and all know, but you have to give proof. The angle sum property. Angle sum property means the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We have to prove. You all know the angles sum property of a triangle. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. You are applying, but in this section we will prove this theorem. So what is given? A triangle ABCD. This is given. Given a triangle ABC. What is given? A triangle ABC. So A, B, C. This is a triangle. So what you have to prove? To prove, we have to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. It means the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. We have to prove. Understood? Now, in this statement, we need construction. So, construction. Triangle ABC is given. So, through A, construction through A, draw a line DE which is parallel to BC. So, what I constructed? Through A, draw a line D which is parallel to BC. Up to here, any doubt, any confusion? So, D is parallel to BC. This is the point A. Proof. Proof. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give these names. You already know about straight angle. The measure of straight angle is 180 degree. Yes or no? And you know about alternate interior angles also. In beginning I told to you, if two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal. Yes or no? Now see, proof. DE parallel BC by construction. D parallel BC by construction and AB intersect them. Intersects them. Therefore, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Because D parallel BC and AB intersect them. Therefore, angle 4 will be equal to angle 2. Reason will give alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. AIA. Alternate interior angles. Yes or no? Similarly, because DE parallel BC, now AC is intersecting them. So angle phi will be equal to angle 3. Angle phi is equal to angle 3. Similarly, no need to give proof. Similarly, you can write. Similarly, angle 3 is equal to angle phi, say 2, and same reason, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Up to here, any doubt, any confusion? Okay. Because if two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal. And now next rule, straight angle. Straight angle, this measure always will be 180. This doesn't matter how many angles are making this straight angle. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, no problem. If I will add all the angles, their total will be 180. It means straight angle. So angle 1, angle 4, angle 5. If I will add all these three angles, their total will be 180. Now angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. I have written this one. This is right or wrong? Yes, right. Because this is straight angle. So give reason, straight angle. Straight angle. Angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Now I proved angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So where is 4? If I will write 2, no problem because both are equal, I proved already. So angle 1. Now angle 4. Now I will write here 2 because I proved angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So write here 2. Angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So I will write here angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Here also you will give reason. In theorem this is very important. What you are writing, so you have to give reason for what you have written. So reason is must. So give reason. Because angle 2 is equal to angle 4 and angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Proved above. Proved above. We have proved here, so because we have proved above. So that's why I have written, where was angle 4, I have written 2 and in place of 5 I have written 3. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180. Angle 1 means angle A and angle 2, if I will write B, that will be not wrong because angle 2 and B same. So angle B, angle 3, it means angle C is equal to 180. Hence proved. Hence proved. So students, I hope you have understood and you know this theorem is very important, angle sum property. So once again I am repeating, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Triangle ABC is given. I constructed D parallel BC. So which rule we have applied here? If two parallel lines are intersected by transversal, then alternate interior angles are equal. So and a straight angle measure always will be 180. So first D parallel BC and AB intersect them. Therefore angle 2 is equal to angle 4, alternate interior angle. Same rule I applied here, angle 5 is equal to angle 3, alternate interior angles. Now straight angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. Now where was angle 2 I have written, where was 4 I have written, 2 and 5 is converted into 3 because both are equal, proved already. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. This theorem is proved. Next theorem. So what is the statement? Prove that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Now question arises, what is exterior angle? So first of all, every student try to understand what is exterior angle. Exterior angle. So this is a triangle. BC. If any side is extended, it means if I will extend AB to this side, so this side will make exterior angle. So I extended BC to E. BC to E. I extended side BC. So the angle formed by the extended side is ACE. So this is exterior angle. This is exterior angle. Have you understood? So once again I am repeating, if one side is extended of a triangle, the angle formed by the extended side is called exterior angle. So ACE is exterior angle. So in given what will you write? Given. What is given? A triangle ABC. What is given? A triangle ABC in which side BC is extended. Side BC is extended. So what is the question? What we have to prove? We have to prove that the exterior angle, it means ACE, is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. This also interior, but this is the adjacent angle. We will not take interior opposite angles are this. So we have to prove. To prove, you can give name angle 1, 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. Give name. This will be simple and you will understand easily. Now, what we have to prove? We have to prove angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Yes or no? Because exterior angle names I have given 4 and interior angles 1 and 2. So we have to prove angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Any doubt, any confusion? Okay, very good. So now prove. Just I proved one theorem, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So same rule, if I will add angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, their measure will be 180 degree. So prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. So what reason will give? The sum of the angles of a triangle, or you can write angle sum property. The sum of the angles of a triangle. The sum of the angles of a triangle. So you can give name. This is equation first. Yes or no? Now angle 3 plus angle 4. Their measure also 180. Why? Because linear pair. Two adjacent angles whose measure is 180 is called linear pair. So angle 3 plus 4, their total is 180. So two angles are making 180. We can say linear pair. Yes or no? If more than 2, we will use straight angle. That time no need to write linear pair. Pair means only two angles. So this also 180. This also 180. So equals to the same are equal to each other. Their total is equal to 180. Their total also 180. So both are equal. It means these also will be equal. For this one we have to apply this rule. Equals to the same are equal to each other. Now on comparing from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 we get what we get, because this also 180, this also 180, it means these three angles sum will be equal to the sum of these two angles. So from 1 and 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. So angle 3 cancel to angle 3. Angle 3 cancel to angle 3. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. What you have to prove? This is proved. So this was the theorem. So I hope you have understood. If any doubt, you can write your comments. So once again I am repeating. A triangle is given and one side is extended. We have to prove the exterior angles formed by the extended side is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. It means angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 and 3 plus 4 is equal to 180. Linear pair. Equals to the same are equal to each other. So their measure is 180, their measure also 180. So write 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. 3 will cancel to 3. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Hence proved. So this is all for today. Next chapter will be triangles, and in next discussion we will discuss about triangles. Thank you. Thank you.